This warning has been issued by the Peaceful International Politics Force. This is the Peaceful International Politics Force. This is our final message. We may no longer use this system to transmit news and warnings. We are happy to inform you that it's over. The entity has been destroyed and all that's left of it is a crater in the center of Aurora City. All of the creatures have stopped moving. Some one-eyed entities have started to turn back into humans. Yes, it's real. However, not everyone survived the process. After the destruction of the entity, infected individuals started to turn back into humans again, but due to how painful it was, not everyone made it. Some died during the process, some even didn't turn back. As for the blob, nothing happened. All blobs have just stopped moving. We are unsure as to what to do with them for now. We also don't know what happened to the people who were controlling the facility. We also don't know what happened to the task force. But the main danger is gone. Same for the head snatchers. They have disbanded as soon as they helped us with the EAS destruction. Before this transmission ends, we would like to say thank you. Thank you for your help and support.